What's up, everybody? It's your boy King Hussle, and yes, this is my new YouTube channel. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell, so whenever I drop new sauce, new lessons, new methods, and giveaways, you'll be the first one to be notified. You'll be the first one to know what's going on, and hey, you might be the first one to win something for free. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell on all the YouTube channels. I'm talking this one right here, King Hussle, King Hussle 2.0, King Hussle X1M, the Hussle family, King Hussle Crazy Reactions, and turn motivation into millions. Also, make sure you follow me on all my social media platforms. All you gotta do is click the title on every video. Once you click the title on every video, at the bottom in the description, all my social media links will pop up. Alright, got a lot of people making fake King Hussle accounts and pages, scamming people, and y'all still falling for it. So please, get a FaceTime verification call or video before you send your money to anybody to make sure you see this face. Make sure you get legit business and you getting what you paid for, right? And before we get anything started, this is all educational purposes only. I'm not telling anybody to do anything. So let's get this thing started. So this is video number 2 with the 24-hour marathon. I'm dropping video every hour on the hour from 3 o'clock to tomorrow, 3 o'clock p.m. every hour on the hour, 24-hour marathon. All right, so this video, I'm going to show y'all how to get free money for your business. I'm not talking about no loans. I'm not talking about no grants. I'm not talking about none of that. I'm talking about free donations. Yes, free money. So it's a lot of people out there that are starting new businesses. There are a lot of people out there that want to start new businesses. And there's a lot of people out there that's getting into the business field because of the money. A lot of people feel like they could become entrepreneurs and start making all this money and turning yourself into millionaires, which is true. But you have to know what you're doing. You got to know certain steps. You got to know certain procedures. You got to know about credit. You got to know about the product that you're selling or the knowledge that you're selling. Because as long as you know about that product or that knowledge that you're selling and have a passion for it, the money is going to come. All right. So today I'm going to be talking about a little thing called crowdfunding. Now, a lot of people are not aware of crowdfunding. And crowdfunding is basically, to narrow it down, free money for businesses. It's donations for businesses, small businesses, startup businesses. And a lot of people go this route, and a lot of people have not heard about this, right? A lot of people start their LLCs and they say, okay, I need to get my funding together so I can start getting loans, lines of credits, and credit cards, personal credit, this and that, which is 100% true. But there is a way for you to get free money / donations for your small startup business doing crowdfunding. Now, what is crowdfunding? If you've never heard of it, I bet you're asking yourself that question. So crowdfunding is the practice of funding a project or a venture by raising many small amounts of money from a large number of people, typically via the internet, right? So a lot of people who start their new businesses, they go through crowdfunds and they get donations to help fund their business. You got people getting up to millions of dollars in donations for their small startup businesses. Some websites have a cap, some websites don't. I think it's like a $5 million cap on some websites that you can get up to for donations for your business. Now, if you're somebody who actually is trying to build their business, somebody who's actually trying to establish a business, your credit isn't all the way there, but you have the potential, you have the will and the want to actually build your credit, and you have the will and the want to actually grow your business, then this could be something for you. So crowdfunding is the process of raising money from a large amount of people in order to fund a project, a company, or a cause. In some cases, the funders do so as a donation, while in other cases, they get rewards, equity in the company, or raise the money and more, right? So it's different type of crowdfundings that you can do. So what do you need before getting a crowdfund, right? So there are certain things that you would need before getting a crowdfund so you can start getting donations for your business, right? So I'm gonna go through some things that you would need for your crowdfund before you can get funded. So investors' annual income and net worth of less than $124,000 can invest. So the jumpstart business startups, JOBs, the active creative, the equity can invest $2,500 and up to 5% of the greater their income and net revenue. Investors of annual income. So basically, it's certain people and certain amounts that you can start getting the funds. So just like any other investment, it's important to make sure that you do your due diligence. It is an investment, so there's chances you might lose out. All right, so for some platforms that allow you to invest, companies work similar to P2P lending websites. You make an investment as part of a round of funding, and you are paid back when the company starts earning profits. If the company does not turn a profit or goes bust, you might not even see partial repayment. You could lose all your money. So what companies are these websites? So reminder, many of these companies are involved investment crowdfunding websites because they couldn't attract other forms of funding, either from venture capitalists or through small business loans. While their chance you can find a solid choice or even a unicorn, the reality of this is unlikely to find the next billionaire dollar company. So basically, it's letting you know that it's an investment. So you gotta, or you can a donation. So it's just different types that you can go through, different type of crowdfunding websites that you can go to. It's free money and it really helps people with their business. So, matter of fact, I'm gonna give you a business right now. A website for crowdfunding, so y'all can start going. So, betterworld.com is betterworld.org is a crowdfunding fundraising for you to start building money for your crowdfunding. We got let me see what else we got on here. We got Donor Perfect. We got money.com. We got Every Action. We got Donor Snap Network for Good, Neon CRM, Good United. It's a lot of different fun crowdfunding websites that you guys could tap into and go to. It's not just one. It's a lot of different ones. All right, so if you're somebody who's GoFundMe, got crowdfunding. So anybody out there looking to start a small business or like if you are lacking like credit, you're lacking capital for your small business, and you want to start your small business, and you looking to start a small business and be a entrepreneur and run your own business, crowdfunding is the way to go. All right, I know a lot of people. It's kind of similar to like when you be hearing these people out here doing like Ponzi schemes and stuff. They have $1 million donations and investments towards this product or this project that they're pushing, and they get all these donations from people. That's crowdfunding, and yeah, it's basically crowdfunding. That's how people are getting. It's a lot of different ways to get money with business. You can't get crowdfunding with personal because you're not funding anything. Everything is under the business. So if you're somebody looking to get millions and millions of dollars, free money, grants, crowdfunding and grants for your business is the way to start out. Loans, once you start hitting the loans, credit cards, and lines of credit, then you got to start paying that back. But crowdfunding and grants is free money. So you getting some crowdfunding donations and you getting grants from the government or grants from places for your small startup business, you're in the game. That's free money. That's money that you do not have to pay back depending on what type of crowdfunding that you have. You got a crowdfunding set up that that person or those people don't get money or percent back until you start making profits. That's the way you got to set up. If you got it where it's just donations, that's the way you got to set up. All right. So there's a lot of ways to start making money with business. Grants and crowdfunding is the number one way to go to start getting free money for your business, your small startup business. So anybody out there that got their LLC together, you got to structure it the right way, register the right way, everything. The next step is to start you a crowdfund. Go get you a crowdfunding. Then follow, get grants. Then add the net 30s. Then I guarantee you'll be in the right position to start getting major funding for your small startup business. All right, so make sure y'all go check out the websites that I just told y'all about. We got dealmaker.tech, they're crowdfunded business, Duo, Indigo, so many different options for you to get crowdfunding. All right, so make sure y'all tap in, man. Make sure y'all go get y'all crowdfunding together to get that free money for your small startup business. In them grants, then you can start applying for loans, lines of credit, and credit cards after you get that little capital going, that free money. All right, so make sure y'all tapping in, man. Make sure y'all getting that information down packed. This is the video number 2 of the 24-hour marathon. Make sure y'all getting y'all credit lessons. You want to learn how to build your credit, clean your credit, add trade lines, get lines of credit, loans and credit cards. Tap in. My credit lessons is $600, but if you want me to do it for you, it will start at $1,500. All right, so tap in the New Age Credit Repair. Also, make sure y'all come get y'all limited gems. FaceTime 101s will be $1,200. You go get all the limited gems. The limited gems speaks for itself. It's whatever information you want to know, all the information. Tap in, document CPN, how to make $1,000, all that good stuff like that. All right, so make sure y'all tapping in and getting y'all limited gems. FaceTime 101s for $1,200. Also, make sure y'all getting y'all mentorships. People been tapping in. Shout out to everybody who's been tapping into their mentorships. You'll get all the limited gems, plus you'll get DW information, and we're gonna make passive income together. Yes, we're gonna make money together, which means we're gonna do this YouTube automation. We're gonna create YouTube channels. We're gonna make that passive income. If the channel making 20,000, you get 10, I get 10. Easy as that. As long as you put in the same work and effort, we gonna get that money. All right. Also, make sure y'all book your seat on the in-person Unlimited Gems on the crypto tour. All right. I will be in Miami, Florida, May 26th through the 29th. All right. So come get this money with me. Book your seat. 10 seats available in the in-person crypto tour. We invading South Beach. $3,500. $500 deposit to lock your seat down, and the rest of the money in person when we get down there in Miami. All right, so make sure y'all tapping in. All right, come make some money with me. You got an opportunity to be in a music video, opportunity to be around some beautiful young ladies, opportunity to be on the yacht, opportunity to be in some blogs, opportunity to work with me. You never know, you might end up getting a chain or watch, get signed. You never know. All right, so make sure y'all tap in with the in-person limited gyms, Miami, Florida, May 26th through the 29th. Book your seat right now. 10 seats available. $3,500, $500 deposit. All right. Also, for a limited time only, I'm teaching people how to make thousands of dollars a day off social media anywhere, period, for $200. FaceTime one-on-ones, 10 seats available. So do not miss out. Don't miss out on this opportunity. This is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. So, because once it's over, I ain't doing it again for a long time because people be tripping. So, FaceTime one-on-one, gyms, for $200, how to make thousands of dollars a day, daily off social media. I'm going to get you together. I'm going to show you how to start making some money and show you how to start running them bands up, all right? So make sure y'all tapping in on that. Still look for people for the production company, actors, rappers, models, content creators, videographers, producers, all that. Make sure y'all tapping in. Music reviews is $200. Any rapper or singer want to tap in, come get y'all a chain, come get a watch, start making money with y'all music, tap in. I'm going to show you how to do that. We're going to do that together. Also, any models out there, any beautiful ladies out there that's ready to elevate, that's ready to build their brand, their platform, you got a good head on your shoulders, you got a good attitude, can't be creative, you can't be director, all right? So you ready to work, come tap in with me. We're going to get this money together, all right? We're going to start elevating. Also, any videographers out there that shoot the video and edit the video, got good editing skills, 4K or better camera, good masking, good color grade, good transitions, FX effects, tap in, let's get this money. Content equals views, views equal money. The more content we create, the more views we get, the more money we make. All right, so if you're in Houston, Texas, surrounding areas, or could travel, tap in with me, let's work. All right, so shout out to everybody that's been tapping in. Don't miss on that $200 deal. You got 1K, tap in. You want to learn to make 11.5. You got 600, want to make 6,500, tap in. Again, don't miss out on that $200 deal. I'm showing you people how to make thousands of dollars a day off social media, FaceTime one-on-ones. Y'all know how I get down to the end of these videos. I see you at the next video. Video number 2 of the 24-hour marathon. See you at the third video. Peace.